In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to play the song 8 by Billie Eilish, so stay tuned. Hey everyone, this is Matt from You Can Uke, and every week I'm releasing new song tutorials so you can learn how to play the ukulele. So don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss a lesson, and consider joining me on Patreon where we have a chord chart available for this tutorial. Alright, let's check out this song together. Now to play the song 8, we first need to make sure that our ukulele is in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A. And if you need help tuning your ukulele, then make sure that you check out my online ukulele tuner video. Next, there's 4 chords that we need to know in order to play this song. And those chords are C major 7, D minor, and G major. Let's check out those chords together now. So the first chord for this song is C major. To play that, just take your 3rd finger and press down on the 1st string of the 3rd fret. This is C major. The next chord is C major 7. To play that, just take your 2nd finger and press down on the 1st string of the 2nd fret. This is C major 7. The next chord is D minor. To play that, take your 1st finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, take your 2nd finger, press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret. This is D minor. And the last chord for this song is G major. To play that, take your 1st finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, take your 2nd finger, press down on the 1st string of the 2nd fret, then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret. This is G major. Now we're going to learn the strumming pattern for this entire song. It's just going to be down, down, up, pause, up, down, up. Let's play through that strumming pattern now on the C major chord. 1, 2, 1, 2, down, strum, go. Down, down, up, pause, up, down, down, up, pause, up, down, down, up, pause, up, down, up, pause, up, down, up. Now we're going to learn the chord progression for this entire song. It's just going to be C major for 8 beats, C major 7 for 8 beats, D minor for 8 beats, and G major for 8 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now by ringing out each chord. 1, 2, C major 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, C major 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, D minor, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, G major. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, C major again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, C major 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, D minor, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, G major, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now let's apply the strumming pattern with that chord progression. 1, 2, 1, 2, C major, go. Down, down, up, pause, up, 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 down, up. Now that we know the chords, the chord progression, and the strumming pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through 8. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Wait a minute, let me finish. I know you don't care, but can you listen? I came committed, guess I overdid it. Wore my heart on a chain around my neck. you want to play through the rest of that song, then check out my ukulele cover for 8. And that's how you play 8 by Billie Eilish. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Also, I want to give a special thanks to my friends at Flight Music for sponsoring this video, and to my friends at Soundbrenner for allowing me to showcase their awesome metronome watch. I'm going to leave links in the description box below so you can check out more of the products. And finally, I want to invite you to join the You community on the Vibely app. This is a place where you can engage with other ukulele players, join cool challenges, and win free prizes. So download it, it's completely free, and it's available for all Android and iPhone devices. Again, don't forget to subscribe to check out these next tutorials and to keep practicing and keep playing, because you can uke.